How to add music to Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on your device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Again scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, simply tap on profile details. Now simply scroll down and find music. Under music, simply tap on add music. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now search for the music and simply tap on the music. Then simply go back. Again go back. Now tap on see all. Now tap on three dots and click on pin to profile. Now go back. Now tap on the profile picture. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.